are you?
I'm Dr. Mack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So what brings you in today?
So my main concern is I just want to get back to feeling great about my skin. It feels dry, it looks ashy and flaky, especially in the colder months. I see and feel it most in my hands, my elbows, my knees, and my legs. I've tried a bunch of lotions, but none of them seem to work, so I'd love your insight as to what I can do.
Of course, that's what I'm here for. So this very dry skin you have, the ashiness and flakiness you see, is actually dead skin. The cause is a mix of environmental and personal factors, things like the weather and your skin's natural moisture level. It's so important all year long, but especially in the cold weather, to use lotion on your skin that will not only moisturize, but also gently exfoliate to restore your skin's radiance. We all look for that glow, and we can certainly get it.
So what should I be looking for that will actually work?
My go-to recommendation is Eucerin products, which are clinically proven solutions for a wide range of different dry skin conditions. They have lotions and creams for everything from daily hydration, calming to eczema, among others. Also, they are all fragrance and paraben-free, so suitable for people with sensitive skin. Your concerns are dryness, dullness, and ashiness, so I would recommend Eucerin Intensive Repair. The key here is that it's enriched with alpha-hydroxy and works as a gentle exfoliant to remove that unwanted dead skin. Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion also has urea, which is one of your skin's natural moisturizers, and helps hydrate the deep layers of your skin's surface.
Do you have any tips on how to use it to get the best results?
Great question. Eucerin Intensive Repair will intensively hydrate your skin over time. So it's very important that you use it daily, taking full advantage of its triple action of moisturizing, exfoliating, and conditioning in the long run. Your skin will look radiant immediately, and you will feel improvement in your skin.
This has been so helpful, thank you. I'm looking forward to adding Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion to my skincare arsenal.
Of course. I know you're on your way to that healthy glow you've been looking for.